This unit of the Concrete Delivery Professional Certification Program is Module 1, Product Knowledge. An important goal of the ready-mixed driver is to have a good basic knowledge of the product he or she mixes. The NRMCA Certified Delivery Professional CDP Product Knowledge module is divided into 5 chapters. This first one is called the Fundamentals of Concrete, and you have 3 options when studying the material. 1. You can watch the slide presentation. As the slides progress, you will see closed captions at the bottom of each slide. They exactly match the paragraph in an optional workbook. Or, if you prefer, you can read along using your optional workbook. Chapter 1 runs from pages 2 through 7. Finally, you can always refer back to either your slides or your workbook for further clarification throughout your study process. To help you, the page numbers at the bottom of each slide tell you where you can find the same material in your workbook. Any comments or questions about this program can be directed to the NRMCA Training Manager at nrmcatraining@nrmca.org. Introduction. Module 1 Goals. A qualified concrete delivery professional, CDP, must have a good basic understanding of the product he mixes and delivers. The CDP is largely responsible for the condition and the quality of the concrete in the mixer drum and delivering it per customer requirements. The concrete delivery professional routinely makes judgment calls based on product quality. Is a load too wet or dry? Is there too much sand or stone in it? Does a load of old concrete present a danger of hardening in the drum? The CDP, with thorough product knowledge, can make good judgments and provide better customer service for the company. Other potential benefits include reduced maintenance costs and improved all-over efficiency. The CDP also represents the concrete producer on the job site. Concrete that is not placed, finished, or tested properly can develop quality problems that can impact the concrete supplier and the customer. The ability to spot quality problems and report them to the company can often eliminate these problems. Therefore, the objectives of Module 1 are to provide a working knowledge of the composition of ready-mix concrete, provide information on the factors that affect concrete quality, and how the actions of the concrete delivery professional can affect product quality, and finally, to describe the proper methods of placing, finishing, and testing concrete. Let's begin our study with Chapter 1, called The Fundamentals of Concrete. After studying this chapter, the CDP candidate should be able to describe how concrete is made and the common ingredients used in it, explain the basics of good concrete, describe the properties of plastic and hardened concrete, define several quality-related terms used in the ready-mix concrete and concrete construction industries. The world's greatest building material. Concrete is strong, versatile, durable, and economical. It is one of the world's most popular building materials. It is made from a variety of readily available raw materials. It can be used to build skyscrapers, dams, highways, bridges, house foundations, and sidewalks. Concrete is simple and complex, making it a most interesting and challenging material to work with. What is concrete made from? Concrete is a mixture of cement, water, and aggregate. Aggregate is usually a combination of sand and stone or gravel. Concrete mixtures may contain other ingredients, but these are the 3 basic ingredients common to all concrete mixtures. It is freshly mixed or plastic state. Concrete is a workable mixture that can be cast into any desired shape. It starts to stiffen shortly after mixing, but remains workable long enough to be placed and finished. Concrete normally sets or hardens within 2 to 12 hours after mixing and continues to gain strength for months or even years. Hydration. How concrete hardens and gains strength. Plastic concrete hardens as the result of hydration, which is a chemical reaction between cement and water. Hydrating cement particles attach themselves to the surrounding aggregate particles. This diagram of hydration looks something like a river. The blue shoreline represents coarse aggregate particles. The red islands are sand grains, and the small black dots on the river are particles of Portland cement in freshly mixed concrete. When cement mixes with water, hydration starts. Hydrating cement particles grow fingers that mesh together and bind the aggregates into a hardened mass, as illustrated in the upper left side of the diagram. Over time, these bonds continue to form, filling the voids between the particles. Basics of good concrete. Concrete mixtures can be customized for many different types of construction. Mixture ingredients and their proportions are established to give the plastic or hardened concrete specific properties. There is no need for truck mixer drivers to be the product quality and design experts, but drivers do need to be familiar with how good concrete is made. Portland cement, the active ingredient. Portland cement and water combine chemically to glue the other active ingredients together. Pozzolans, such as fly ash and ground slag, may also be used as cementitious material, but always in combination with Portland cement. Portland cement and other cementitious materials usually make up about 10 to 20% of the total volume of a concrete mix. Water in concrete. The amount of water added to concrete affects how strong the hardened concrete will be. Most concrete mixtures are designed with a certain cement content and enough of water to make the mass workable. The required weight of water for cement to completely react or hydrate is about 30% of the weight of the cement. The extra water, sometimes called water of convenience, is added to make the product workable and easier to place. Reducing the mixing water content makes the concrete stronger, while adding water dilutes the glue and makes concrete weaker.